Condos in Newmarket. Although there aren't many condominium towers in the area, it's important to understand what options are available. Most affordable condos recently sold for $430,000 in the building of 260 Davis Drive. This was a standard one-bedroom, one-bathroom unit, approximately 800 square feet, with the rare benefit of 2 parking spots. Quite unusual for a one-bedroom apartment. The next most affordable unit, also sold at 260 Davis Drive, sold for $490,000. This was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath penthouse unit. Despite of being renovated and staged, it sold for under $500,000 in December of 2024. The complex consisting of those 2 buildings is well maintained with relatively low maintenance fees, under $600, specifically considering that the building is 38 years old. They are offering larger than average room sizes and great layouts. Moving on to 185 Deerfield Road, this beautiful building is less than 5 years old and just 5 minutes drive from 250 Davis Drive, closer to Yonge and Davis. A recent listing for 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit with parking and exclusive locker is priced at $560,000. This seems slightly above market value considering similar units sold for $510,000 in December of 2024 and a 1-bedroom plus den sold for $535,000 in October of last year. Currently, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit with 1,000 square feet and 1 parking spot is listed for $972,000. This is the only 3-bedroom condo available in Newmarket, and there haven't been any previous 3-bedroom sales in this building, making it extremely challenging to sell at that price. At this price point, buyers might consider a 3-bedroom semi-detached or a townhouse instead. Overall, a 1-bedroom condos in Newmarket range from $430,000 to $630,000. If you have any questions or considering buying or selling in Newmarket or in the surrounding area, please don't forget to reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to assist. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.